Hi everyone, today's project on the bike is to swap out the factory exhaust pipes for some Vance and Hines Eliminator 300s. I have had them on the bike already to try them out, but I put the original pipes back on when a service was done, just so that they didn't know that aftermarket exhaust had been fitted. So today I'm going to show you just quickly how to install them and what the sound difference is really. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, the biggest main difference that you're going to get is that the size of the pipe is just slightly smaller, but the biggest difference is just in the sound that you're going to get from the bike. And the reason for that is when you look at the Vance and Hines pipe, you can see straight through it. There is no blockage through there, it's just straight through, whereas on the standard pipes, I'll show you when I get them off, there's obviously the catalyzer and the baffles inside. So I'll just briefly show you how to take them off. I'm not going to make you suffer the whole process. Okay, the exhausts are only really held on by 3 bolts, so each pipe has the exhaust clamp there and a bolt at the top. This heat shield or tidy plate is only held on there. I generally slacken it just because it makes it a little bit easier, so I'm going to get on and do this. Okay, I've installed a basic decibel meter on my mobile phone. I accept that it's not a true scientific device, but it will give you a good idea of the difference in noise levels between the standard pipe and the Eliminator 300s. As you can see as I'm speaking, it's monitoring the differences in sound levels. Down here, the numbers there, that's the current noise level. More importantly, over there, that's the maximum level that's being picked up. So we should just get an idea of the difference between the pipes, and over there is the average of what's been going on. I'm going to have this set up a set distance behind the bike. It's roughly a meter, but it'll be the same difference for both tests. So let's go and just do it now with the standard pipes on. Okay, so at 2000 RPM that reached 98.1. Okay, so the factory pipes are off. I've just got to be a bit careful because they're just a little bit hot still from where I was running them a minute ago. Let's just take a look. Okay, so you'll notice that you cannot see through the pipe from either end. They're a lot heavier. There's a baffle right the way down through there to make it quieter. The only other difference between these pipes and the Vance and Hines, this here is an exhaust gasket. The Vance and Hines doesn't have a gasket. It's just metal to metal contact, because there's no real back pressure in there. It doesn't really need one. It's quite a good fit. Now, as you can see, the pipes next to each other, there is a difference in size overall. So there you go. Right, let's get the pipes fitted. Okay, so that's them installed on the bike. They don't look massively different to the stock pipes, but they are a little bit smaller. Just make sure after you've fitted them that you always give them a good wipe down to get your fingerprints off, because that will actually burn into the stainless steel or the chrome if you don't do that. So now it's time for the fun bit, which is the starting it up and seeing how noisy she is. Okay, 112 decibels at 2000 RPM, that's significantly louder. So now all we need to do is go and do a road test, and then when that's done, just check the tightness of the bolts again, and then just double check the tightness after about 100 miles. So let's go do that. can really say as well. The pipes are quite expensive, but it makes a fantastic difference to the bike. It sounds a lot louder. It no longer sounds like any other V-twin on the road. It actually sounds like a Harley. I already loved the bike before. I love it even more now. I really, really do recommend these pipes. Like I say, much louder, but not totally obnoxious, just right.